Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to solve MCQs of midpoint theorem and its converse, chapter 12, class 9 ICSE from the book Concise Selena. So all the MCQs are going to be solved here and the link for the entire topic will be shared in the description box. After going through this video, if you like it, please share with your friends, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we start with the multiple choice question. The first one, in the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle. As per the given information, the length of PQ is what? So now you can see the sides of the rectangle are 16 and 12. Since it is a right angle triangle, we can find AC by Pythagoras theorem. So we get AC is equal to square root of 12 square plus 16 square, which is root of 144 plus 256, root of 400, and that is 20. So we got this as 20. Now P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of BC. We know that by midpoint theorem, a line segment joining the midpoints of two sides per triangle is parallel to the third side and is half of it. That's how you get PQ is equal to half of AC, that is half of 20, which is 10 centimeter. So the fourth option is the correct option. The B part, the quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoints in orders of the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD is always a parallelogram. So you will understand when we are doing the next question. We have already, I will be sharing the link of this entire chapter in the description. So if you take any quadrilateral and join the midpoints of adjacent sides, the quadrilateral will always be a parallelogram. If BC is equal to 12 centimeter, AB is 14.8, and you can see that the X is the midpoint, it shows equal. So half of 14.8, this is 7.4 and 7.4. AC is 12.8, so half of that, so this is 6.4 and 6.4. And you are given BC is 12. So by midpoint theorem, XY is half of BC. So this is 6. So to find the perimeter of BCYX, the trapezium, you get 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 7.4 plus 6.4. You get this as 31.8 centimeter. Add all of these. Okay, the D part, AB is equal to AC and PQR are the midpoints of side BC, then triangle PQR is what? Okay. So we have already have the question, such question in the exercise already solved in the video. Once again, quickly. So we need to focus on the sides AB and AC. So if you are focusing on side AB and AC, so we can see P is the midpoint. So we get PQ is equal to half AC, half AB for this triangle. And if you focus on side AC, then you have PR is equal to half of AC, and we know that AB is equal to AC. So from that you get PQ is equal to PR. So since two sides of a triangle are equal, the triangle is isosceles. Got it? Last MCQ of 12A. So PQRS are the midpoints of the rectangle. So we have A, B, C, D. Again, this question is already there in the video. A, B, C, D, where P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of BC, R is the midpoint of DC, and S is the midpoint of AD. So we are asked what is PQRS, whether it is rectangle, rhombus, square, or a parallelogram. Now, this is, first of all, PQRS will always be a parallelogram. So if I join the diagonal AC, if I take the diagonal AC, so we have P by midpoint theorem for this triangle ABC, we'll have PQ. PQ is equal to half AC and PQ is parallel to AC. Same way we have SR is equal to half AC and SR is parallel to AC. If I take the diagonal BD, you have, so since one pair of opposite sides is parallel and equal, first of all PQRS becomes a parallelogram. For a parallelogram be a rhombus, we need to prove adjacent sides equal. So here, now if I take the diagonal BD, we have PS is equal to half BD and PS is parallel to BD. Then you have PS, then QR is equal to half BD and QR is also parallel to BD. But we have AC is equal to BD because the diagonals of rectangle are equal. So when we look at these all five equations, we understand that PQ is equal to SR is equal to PS is equal to QR. That's how PQRS is a rhombus. Got it? Starting with 12B now. Based on the equal intercept theorem. So what are equal intercepts? So now, for example, these three or more lines are parallel to each other. CE is a transversal. So if the intercepts made by intercept is a part between the parallel lines, part of a transversal between the parallel lines. If they are equal, then the intercepts made by the other transversal are also equal. Now these three lines are parallel. D is the midpoint of CE. That means these two are equal. So if D is the midpoint of CE, therefore you have also CB is equal to AB by equal intercept theorem. Now you are given AE is given as 12.6, and since this is the midpoint now, equal intercept theorem, so this becomes the midpoint. Therefore, you get BD is equal to half of AE. BD is equal to half of AB, which is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Got it? Okay. The B. In a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC. ABCD is a trapezium where AB is parallel to CD. E is the midpoint of AD and F is the midpoint of BC. Then, okay. So if I join this line is also parallel first of all. Okay. And if this is a parallel, then we have an equation EF is equal to half of the sum of parallel sides, that is AB plus DC. Remember this. Okay. So now look in the options, you have EF on this side. Now AB plus DC is there. 2EF is half, can't work. So if I take this 2 over here, so we get 2EF is equal to AB plus DC. So the second option is the correct one. Okay. Moving to the given figure shows a parallelogram ABCD in which E is the midpoint of AD and DL is parallel to EB. Then BF is equal to what? So by converse of midpoint theorem, a line drawn from the midpoint of one side and parallel to the second bisects the third. That is how we get this part. So we have by converse of midpoint theorem, we get AB is equal to BF. Got it? So you get BF is equal to AB. The fourth option is the correct option. D, in the given figure, AD and BE are the medians. So AD is a median, so it divides the side into two equal parts. B is the median, so these two are equal. That means E is the midpoint of AC and D is the midpoint of BC. Then ED is equal to a line segment joining midpoints of two sides of a triangle is half of the third side. So you get DE is equal to half of AB by midpoint theorem. The last MCQ of today's video. In the part C, we have already seen that there is a relation. If two lines are parallel, we join the midpoints. This also becomes parallel. So we have EF is parallel to DC is parallel to AB. In such case, you have EF is equal to half of DC plus AB. Okay, let us substitute the value. EF is given to you as 16 is equal to half of DC is what you have to find out, and AB is 20. So you get DC plus 20. This 2 goes here. 32 is equal to DC plus 20. 20 moves here. You get DC is equal to 32 minus 20, which is 12 centimeter. Got it? So you have done all the MCQs of this chapter. Coming up with another soon. If you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.